One of our spreads, sunflower ghee spread, has lots of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory spices and herbs added to it. It has turmeric, which it has the active ingredient curcumin, strong anti-inflammatory properties. You have ginger in it, another antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, also helps with digestion and GI issues. Also, there is cinnamon in it, and that, besides being anti-inflammatory and has antioxidant properties, it also reduces the blood glucose level. This particular blend, this particular spread, is a wonderful addition to athletes' snack box. You can spread it on your toast. You can add a few tablespoons to your smoothie. You can actually make a mocha with it without the chocolate. We can make a kind of like a mocha drink with it, or you can add to your coffee as an additional superfood, a few tablespoons of superfood added to your morning coffee. It's a wonderful snack, especially for athletes, to reduce the inflammation that caused by rigorous exercise regimen that they are at.